me. Don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and I need love.
All right, guys, so I got the hair. I showed y'all as much of the store that I could show you guys. The hair that we ended up getting is Model Poise in this human hair master mix. That's what I was telling y'all before. At first I was going to get the Aqua Jerry. That was the first one I picked up. But then I was like, no, because it did have a tight Jerry curl look to it, but I had to go with my heart. And I got one pack, 3 of them come in a row, and it looks like this, guys. So I got that, and then I was trying to get me some more crochet braids, guys. I'm telling you right now, I was trying to get me some more of that. Is that all I got? I thought I got 2 things. Oh, and I got the hat. Now I'm gonna see how I'm gonna end up sewing this hair on here, because I want a mohawk. But I also know the way I really wear my hair too. And you know me, I have to wear it in more than one way. So we'll you know what, we'll play it by ear. So let's get to the house. Let me go park my car. Let's get to the house, guys, and get this hair. You just finished watching when I went and got the hair, what hair I chose and what cap I chose, right? So now, instead of a mohawk, I'm still not sure, but instead of a mohawk, I may just do a hair piece with the sides out. So I have come in here and I have parted off my sides. Okay? Y'all know I'm famous for that. Y'all know I'm famous for that. I do my braid styles like that, wig styles like that. I just like that. So we went to the store and we picked up Sky Sassy, right? We picked up Sky Sassy. And it comes in 3 bundles, right? It comes in 3 bundles. And it got the right consistency of curl that I want, you know. So the curl look like this, okay? It's nice and short how I like. And the curl look like this. I like it. Okay, so I got this cap. Okay, I got this cap, the adjustable deluxe weaving cap. And we're gonna see, guys, we're gonna see. I really should use a net. You know, we winging everything. It looks like this. It's got adjustable straps on the back. Straps on the back. So if that is the case, if I am going to do this, and it's like this, right? See how it goes through the middle, right there on its own, guys? See how it goes, the material, and that's all I need to fill in, really. That's another reason why I bought this cap. But I like the way it feels too, guys. So what I am going to do is I am going to go find a pencil or some type of eyeliner and outline where, you know, I don't need to sew any hair. Let me go do that. Only thing I could find was an eyeliner. And if this is how the cap is going to be, then that means, yeah, I can see it. That means it comes here and it comes down. See that? So it's the same thing on this side. I'm just trying to give myself a reference point. I'm bring it all the way out, because I am going to be taking this on and off, you know. as I sew. So this is where it's going to be. Right. And if everything turns out, then I will cut this material off. You know what I'm saying? I will cut that material off. And we'll either put combs in it or pin it. All right, get on there. So now, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take this off. We're going to take this off and we're going to slide this on her. And now, this is where I will hide mine at. So I got some T-pins here. Y'all see these? And I'm just going to make sure that this mannequin head don't move or don't be stretched too far from where it's supposed to be. Okay, so I have moved downstairs because I have to sit with my little spoiled little puppy here. And I have pinned down, you know, the hair piece. And guys, I'm just going to be going back and forth. I don't even think I'm going to cut the hair. You know how you cut it? I don't even think I am going to cut the hair. I'm just going to go back and forth, you know, with the tracks. So guys, this is what the hair looks like. I think it's pretty. I think it's pretty. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to end up going back getting another bundle. This is one whole bundle. And I am going to space it out. But I know I'm going to end up having to go get another bundle. So I am just going to start sewing. And then I'll come back when I'm close to done. Okay?
Bear with me. Don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and I need love.
Yeah, I think it's going to be fine. All right, this is what it's looking like. Most likely I'll tease the roots. I'll tease the roots so that it'll be fuller. But I really don't want it no fuller than that. So that is how the wig turned out. Only thing I have to do now, guys, is cut off these sides. And yeah. Look at that. And your girl is just plain. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I am finna get out of here. But check it out. Check it out. I'm loving this. It didn't take no time. Okay. Look, guys. I know I'm gonna be standing here for another 2 hours playing in this hair. I have so many ideas for this hair piece. I have been planning this hair, slicking it down, curling the sides up, wearing it in a mohawk, putting it in a ponytail, every style you can think of. Also, guys, I can show you guys, if you really like this hair and you want it to come down your back, I can show you how to lengthen it if you want to have it lengthened and just make it long. You know what, I'm going to say that for another, video. But, all because it's this length out the pack doesn't mean it has to stay this short. Me, I'm comfortable with it because I know how to make it long. You would think this hair was 32 inches long. Oh, I'm loving this. It is so light on my head. It is so light. I can play with this and all of that. Even if I want my hair to just be combed backwards. Look at that. Even if I took a comb and comb it. See, guys, I tried to get out of here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? All right, guys, so I have gotten off into playing. It is real late at night. I am tired. I just wanted to see if this was something that I was going to be able to rock, and baby, I am going to be able to rock it. You can dress this up, you can dress this down. The curl is absolutely gorgeous on it, guys. I'm getting all in your face because I want y'all to see the curl on this. You see that? That's pretty. That is pretty. Hell, I almost don't know it's not my hair. Hey guys, I like the hair. It's Sky Sassy by Poise. It's a nice length. This is just one pack of hair. I spaced it out and it's nice. It's light. The only thing that I have on my hair right now is snapback, and I have had this hair just with playing in it. I have one braid going around the perimeter, and I have my hair, left out, on the side, and I like it. In a different video, guys, if I might show y'all how to make it longer if you want it down your back. I'll show y'all how to, do that. But this is just one pack of hair, and I like it. I'm going to be rocking this for a while, all while still doing my, healthy hair routine. My hair is growing. This is a winner. This is a winner. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video. And if there's anything that I did not address in this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Y'all already know I'm going to answer you back. You know why? Because y'all are the reason my channel is growing. I love looking at y'all comments, reading y'all comments, and answering you guys back. So if there's anything that I have left out, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will answer you back. So until next time, guys, thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. I appreciate you, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Yes, this is absolutely, this is it.